Hey guys, an update on oil and the S&P. Yeah, S&P continuing here. The 112 is still valid here. We did go below the 618. We tested the 786 here, but then on the 4 hourly, this candle here is really nice. We wicked and nice volume here, even though it's pre-market. Very good to see. And yeah, it's looking good. At least we're gonna take this high probably today, and then we have the point of control here above us at 6,765 to watch. Okay, if we can break that, of course this 1-2 setup is still valid and we could attempt moving higher. Yeah, watch any news on the interest rate, etc. It's tomorrow, but Trump is like, yesterday he said like, I want emergency rate cuts, blah blah blah. So maybe something is gonna happen, I don't know. If you look at oil is dropping here. I'm gonna zoom into that to this portion here. Okay, to me we can see this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, no overlap. Your wave 3 is not the shortest. Yeah, not a solid wave 5 because we just wick above it, but it's looking nice. Okay, we can label this as a 5-wave move, highest volume also here in this third. If we don't want to label this as a 5-wave move, but rather a 3-wave move, then okay, then we must label this as an ABC because we have an overshoot here. Okay, you can't have a 1-2 with the wave 2 going below the wave 1. So either way, if it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we want to see continuation. If it's an ABC, instead of a move to the upside now, we're getting an overshooting B wave here, meaning that we have to take this low first because this is an ABC. You can't label it anything else because of the low being taken. Okay, so in both cases, price to me points to the downside, which means yes, stocks might do well today. We found resistance here at the 0.5 to 0.618 range as well, taken from this low to this high. And then what we can watch here is just this low. If we break it, I'll add a box what we can focus on to the downside. Let's assume this is a 3-wave move to the downside. Okay, ABC and a wave W, ABC and a wave X. But again, it can be a 5-wave move as well. Just to be conservative, we would be looking at the 1-to-1 at 89.37. This is the CFD on like this crude oil chart. There are various ones, but they all move pretty similar. So this would mean price will drop 6% more. Okay, and then of course if it's a 5-wave move, this can go way deeper, and we can also identify a 5-wave move in here, wave 1, wave 2, then maybe here another one to end move down lower like this. Okay, of course for this, if you really want to go down, we need some news on oil and the Strait and interest rates maybe. So but looking here locally, to me this really points that we have to take this low before we can attempt any move higher. Okay, if you look at Chevron then as well quickly, pre-market up 0.5, 0.6. This one as well, it's grinding here for 2 months already now in overbought territory on the daily. High volume here though on this last move, lower than this move however, but also here I'm looking for a topping. Okay, and then into these fips. Next level is still the same, $203.36. Raise Chevron's price target from to 180. So I don't, you can see this target is below us. Would make sense if this is now gonna correct for the rest of the year. If this is an end year target, I don't know what it is, but it's not surprising. Okay, it's where our box is. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.